Welcome back, guys, to the channel helping you earn more, spend less, and invest the difference. Now, today we're going to be talking about how you can earn some pretty insane rewards by staking one of my favorite crypto coins, Cake. Staking Cake earns me a staggering roughly 70% yearly return on my money. Grand total, I earn about $4,000 worth of Cake each month from staking it. So we're going to start off the video with what Cake is and the pancakeswap platform, how you can make money using the platform, and then I'll show you a live demonstration of me staking additional funds to the platform so that you can do this as well. Now, PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange and works as an automated market maker that allows users to easily exchange one cryptocurrency for another. PancakeSwap processes a staggering $27 billion worth of trades on a daily basis. It's freaking massive. The PancakeSwap platform runs on the Binance Smart Chain, which is owned and operated by Binance themselves, owner of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Unlike some of its direct competitors that run on the Ethereum network, such as Uniswap, here trade fees can easily run you $50 or more per trade. PancakeSwap, however, is dramatically cheaper, oftentimes just a few cents. PancakeSwap runs on the Cake crypto token, which has a market cap of about $4.7 billion and ranks in the top 50 coins in the world. In order to make money using the PancakeSwap platform, you have two primary options. You can provide liquidity to the platform by providing two different cryptocurrencies to the platform, and then the platform will use your crypto pair to allow users to freely swap between those two crypto coins. And when someone uses the platform to swap between those two crypto pairs and is charged a fee for doing so, you receive the majority of that fee because you were the one that provided that crucial liquidity to the platform. Now, it is important to realize that while the interest rates on these liquidity pools can often be pretty insanely high, they do not take into account impermanent loss, which is a pretty unique concept to the crypto world. And if you're interested in learning more about that, you can check out this video right here. The other option to earn money is to simply stake coins on PancakeSwap, which is my preferred method of earning money. By staking your PancakeSwap coins, you are helping to run the blockchain protocol, and in return, you are rewarded with additional coins. All right, so let's get into it and transfer some money and explore the PancakeSwap site. Now, first up, you are going to need a crypto wallet installed on your phone or web browser. Personally, I use Trust Wallet, and I will assume that you are already relatively familiar with external wallets. And if you aren't, there are plenty of other video tutorials. All right, guys, so here we are at Binance.com. This is the website that I use to buy and sell my Cake coin. So here you can see that I've got a little bit of Cake. I've got about 1.7 Cake, valued at give or take about 35 bucks. Now, normally I wouldn't transfer an amount this small, but for the purposes of making this video, we'll just go ahead and do it. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to withdraw our funds, and we need to transfer them over to our external wallet. Like I said, in this case, we are going to be using Trust Wallet. So here we're just going to hit withdraw, and then we need to find our address. So I'm just going to swap on over to my Trust Wallet real quick to find that address. All right, guys, so here we are inside my Trust Wallet account. Now, in order to do this, we're ultimately going to need two different coins. We're going to need our PancakeSwap coin, and we're going to need a little bit of BNB coin, specifically the Smart Chain version of it, that third one down. And we're going to use that Smart Chain BNB in order to pay the transaction fees for PancakeSwap. Now, the first thing that we're going to need to do, if you haven't already, is actually get the PancakeSwap token to show up on your list of available cryptocurrencies. And in order to do that, you just click on this button all the way up in the upper right hand corner, and that will bring up a search bar. So we're just going to type in Cake. And here you will see two different types of PancakeSwap tokens. You'll see a BEP20 version and a BEP2 version. BEP20 is the Binance Smart Chain protocol, and BEP2 is the regular BNB protocol. So we need the BEP20 version of our Cake coin. So if this method is not working for you, chances are you chose the wrong version. Make sure it is BEP20. 20. So once we have it added to our list, we can go ahead and click on it. We're going to hit the receive button, and there you'll see a QR code pop up, and down below it, that big, long, obnoxious list of letters and numbers, that 0x858, etc. That is your actual wallet address. That is the address that you need to send your cake to. So we can just hit copy and transfer it over to Binance to send it to this address. And as you can see, I've already made some withdrawals. So for ease of use, I can just click down here, click to copy, because this is my wallet address for PancakeSwap. So we can just come up here and copy that into our address, and you can see that it will automatically transfer it into the Binance Smart Chain, the BEP20 version of that cake coin. So we're just going to hit max. That's how much we are going to want to withdraw. So we're going to withdraw all of it. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm, and then it's going to ask me to input some verification codes from email and Google Authenticator. So bear with me while I put those codes in. All right, and here we can see that now that cake has transferred into my Trust Wallet account. Transfers usually take about 20 or 30 seconds for Binance to transfer stuff over. If you're waiting, you can just pull down on it and that will refresh your list. So here we see I have that 1.77 cake in my Trust Wallet, and now we're gonna head on over to PancakeSwap and actually get this staked. So we can head to pancakeswap.finance, and here I am on the mobile version. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here and click on Earn, and here you see two different options, farms and pools. Now farms is if you're trying to provide those two different crypto pairs to add liquidity so that other users can freely trade back and forth between those two crypto pairs. But we are going to come over here to pools. I only stake PancakeSwap. I don't provide liquidity. So if we come on over here, you can see that we can stake cake and earn a variety of different coins. Usually these coins are pretty small coins that people have never heard of, some pretty obscure different types of coins. I don't mess with those. I'm gonna be sticking here to one of these two top pairs where you're gonna stake cake and you're gonna earn cake. Now here you see two different options, auto cake and manual cake, the one below it. Now with auto cake, any interest that you earn will be automatically put back into your balance so that it will automatically compound itself. You can put your money in and never worry about it again. So it's going to update and calculate that interest about 5,000 times a day. So this is truly compound interest. With manual cake, you need to manually remember to log in and manually claim your rewards. So it's a little bit of extra work. Now, if you'll notice and look out to the interest rates beside it, it looks like the auto cake is a clear winner, 73.74% APY. But here we need to understand the difference between APY and APR. APY already factors in compounding, while APR does not. Remember, we need to manually log in and redeem these rewards, so it doesn't know how many times we're going to do that and how many times this stuff is going to get compounded. But we can come and we can click on it and scroll down a little bit. They do have a calculator here. So basically what this is saying is if you were to stake your cake for 1 year and compound it every day, you would actually earn an APY of 75.17, which is going to be a little bit better than this auto cake. It's about 1.5% better. But that means you need to remember to log in every day and compound it. So the manual cake actually offers a little bit higher rewards, but like I said, you need to remember to actually log in and redeem those rewards on a regular basis. At least once a week or once a day, whatever is convenient for you. Now there is two downsides. One, you actually have to remember to log in and do that. And number 2 is every time that you redeem your rewards, you are going to get charged that network fee of about 40 or 50 cents. So the manual cake really only makes sense if you are dealing with large amounts of money where that extra 1.5% is going to be worth it and offset this constant 40 or 50 cent fee that you are going to get charged. Now, so at this point, we can actually connect our wallet. So I'm just going to hit Connect Wallet and hit Trust Wallet, and that will automatically sync my account with my Trust Wallet. And here we can see that I deal with the manual cake. I have roughly 4,400 cake tokens staked, 4,383, and that has a fair market value of roughly $87,000. And as you can see, you can constantly see these numbers increasing, this cake earned. Like I said, it updates about 5,000 times a day. So if I wanted to actually harvest this 0.4 cake, the amount that I've earned since the last time I have redeemed it, which was just a handful of minutes ago, I could just hit collect. But I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add that 1.7 cake that we recently transferred over to our Trust Wallet account. So I'm going to hit this plus button right here. I'm going to hit max. And there you see that 1.7, that $35 worth of cake that is in our Trust Wallet account. I'm just going to go ahead and hit confirm, and that's going to bring us over to Trust Wallet. We have to actually verify this. So here you see it's going to charge us a network fee of 0.001 BNB coin, and that has a fair market value of about 48 cents. So we're going to go ahead and hit confirm, and it says you can now go back to your browser. So if we go back to our browser, we can close that out. And as soon as it refreshes here, you'll see the amount of cake earned. There we go, smart contract call has been executed. So what that does is it put all of that money back into the account. And as you can see now, the amount of cake earned has reset. Every time that you collect it, it resets the amount that you've earned. But it added it to the amount of cake that we have staked. So now we're earning interest on that cake that we had previously transferred. And what's kind of nice is now that your account is synced, you can once again click on this calculator and just hit my balance. That'll pull up how much I have staked. And then you can kind of mess with these. So if I have it staked for 1 year and I compound it every 14 days, you'll see I earn a little bit less than if I compound it a little bit more regularly at 7 days or every day. That's, obviously a little bit better. But here you can see that I earn roughly 3,300 cake per year as an estimate for staking. And obviously the price of cake is going to fluctuate over time, but at today's market value, that would have a fair market value of about $65,000 that I would earn over the course of 1 year simply by staking my cake tokens on PancakeSwap. That's a pretty fantastic deal if you ask me. So that's going to be it, guys, how I earn over $4,000 a month simply staking cryptocurrency on PancakeSwap. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you all again next time. Thanks.